Hello everybody, it's Wendy here from Cloud 2020 and I'm going to talk to you about Microsoft Copilot for Sales. It won't have escaped any of us, surely not, that AI is the new latest thing, and the Microsoft form of AI differs from many of the others that are out there in that it will only ever work on your own data. And that data is safe with you and will not be fed back into any AI training arenas or areas. So it's a pretty safe way of engaging with the AI phenomenon, the new technology that's out there. I thought we'd take a look at how it works with regards to Dynamics 365 sales or generally a CRM. That functionality that your sellers, the people that work within your organization that are selling all day, every day, how it might help them remove some of the drudgery, the day-to-day slog that we all have to do as salespeople. So no further ado, let's start this process. I've got an interactive demo here. I'll talk us through the processes. We are, of course, using demo data, so nobody's privacy was harmed in this process. So this has been set up so that Ruddy is a sales representative at Van Ardstel, and he is receiving an email from Eric, a client from Contoso that Ruddy has been seeking to have some engagement with. So I'm just going to click within this and show us the information here. So we can see here that the opportunity details are being brought up down the side, and we have the opportunity to actually create a record within our CRM, which will take the, this is AI in action here. It's taking the information that's in the body of this email and creating an opportunity from that. So we will just save that. So now we're going to look at giving Ruddy a context for the email. And we're going to ask it to find the relevant products, which Eric is asking for some more information about. So AI has gone off and looked at this and is checking in with the products that are actually on our CRM, and is recommending these. So amongst all of these, we get an option of 3 here, and we're going to ask the AI to compare the products which it selected as best for this opportunity. Gathering info again, and it's actually saying that it thinks that these ones will be the best fits here. So now we're going to hit the reply button and go back to Ruddy with regard to Eric with regard to his query. So here we have the opportunity for AI to draft the email. We're going to ask it to make a proposal. So here's the proposal brought forwards from AI, taking into account the products that have been recommended for it. The Microsoft's position with AI generated content and text like this, copy like this, is that you must always check it. You must always check to see if there's going to be anything you'd like to change. If you don't like it, you can get rid of it. You can regenerate to give another option. You can also choose the kind of tone of voice that you're going to use. We're going to keep this one, and then we're going to hit send. So this then creates the opportunity for us to prepare for a meeting with Eric. So we're just going to ask Copilot to help us with this. We're going to ask it to prep for a sales meeting, and we're going to select this non-alcohol beer. And then we're going to ask for it to prompt the text there. And keep going with the information that we've asked. And then we're going to seek to generate that. Now, it's generated a proposal here, which in my view is a major help. I mean, proposal writing can take such a long time. If you've got something that can give you the bare bones that you could alter top and tail, for example, make sure the right greetings are in place, make sure the sign off is correct, make sure that the tone of voice is how you would say it, and actually that the data within it is correct. But still, to have it format that and create it is a real step forward, I think. So we're going to keep this. And next, we're going to continue to Raddy's meeting with Eric. So Eric is asking a question about the packaging to Raddy's before the meeting. So we're going to ask the Copilot to answer Eric's question. And here it goes. We're going to then update the opportunity with the information that we've gathered here. So the close date is different, the stage is no different, the amount remains the same. And now we've got the products in there. So now we're going to write a follow-up email to Eric in the follow-up tasks. And here it is. We have to check it again, check copy reads correctly for us. And we're going to keep that. And then we're going to send that. And next, we're going to ask Copilot to help us work on a pitch deck for the up and coming meeting. And it's the value proposition here, the standard NA beverage. We're going to click on generate. And here it is linking into PowerPoint. We've already had it connecting up, as usual, via CRM with Word to generate the proposal, Exchange to send the emails. Now we're using PowerPoint as well with Copilot, the Microsoft stack there really coming into play and helping us. We like that. And then we're going to say, okay, we're going to create the selected tasks here. And we've gone now to Teams, so yet another Microsoft product here. And we can see here that our colleague has responded very quickly, is going to tell us it's going to have have it done by end of day tomorrow. So there we have it, a process from start to finish, and I hope you found that interesting. If you are interested in looking into Copilot more closely, then please do reach out to us. There'll be a telephone number and contact details at the end of this video. And as always, if you'd just like to talk about this and see how it might work for you in your business, we'd be really happy to help you.